Hey, if you want to turn on or off the noise cancellation on your Huawei FreeBuds 5i, you got two methods. The first one, you can do this in this control center by going to the noise cancelling or simply to the awareness mode or off. But also you've got the gesture. So when you open the gestures and take a look for this, all the gestures, we've got double tap, triple tap, press and hold and swipe. And in the press and hold, we are able to toggle the noise control. So right now, when you input one of your earbuds into the ear, for example this one, and hold, let me just go to the screen and hold it right here, hold right here. As you can see, we switch to the noise cancelling, and when I hold one more time, I'm gonna to switch to the awareness mode. And that's how we can turn on and off the noise cancellation on the Huawei FreeBuds 5i. Bye bye.